With the shape builder and Pathfinder, we can actually merge objects or kind of subtract things from it, but we can also do it more freehand with the eraser tool. So let's just have some object we can play with. I'll draw this circle and I'll put in some fill color here. Then I'll choose my eraser tool. How does it work? Well, you just draw with it and then it erases whatever you're drawing on. So it makes simple holes in your object. But it's a bit small. Can I make it bigger? Yeah, you can. You can double click on it and then you have different ways. You can choose the angle here and you can also take the roundness. You can also just click in the image here. Say it should be raised like this and it should be bigger. And then I say okay and it'll look like this. And this is your erasure now. So how does it work if I have other objects too? If I have more objects than this one, then it's only the selected one that I can actually erase from. It won't work on this one because it's not selected. So I need to tell Illustrator which one gets the beating. And then I can suddenly draw different shapes by erasing with this tool. And when I select something else, I can see that, oh, now I've drawn this one by just deleting curve points all around. So I'm not merging or kind of doing anything else. I'm actually just erasing stuff. And it actually works on whatever object you have. You can use the eraser tool and then just be creative on which kind of shape you would like to do. So now I have a square fish skeleton. I can also, when I use the erase tool, I would like to have it back to start. I double click on it, so I have the options inside it, and then I reset it and say, okay, now we're back to the basics of it. I would like to select this one. I select it, go for my eraser tool, and then I can erase stuff from it. That is nice, but if I hold down the option key and click down, then you can see it draws me a square, and then it actually erases a line. So I can also use the eraser tool just to delete a part of my object. If I select my object again, it's actually totally destroyed in small pieces, bits and pieces here. This one is kind of one shape. This is one shape because I haven't cut it through with my eraser tool. So this is basically what you can use your eraser tool for. Kill your objects or create something new by taking something else away, as we did with Shape Builder tool and Pathfinder.